Hi and welcome back to our channel. Before we begin this video, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get further notified in future. As you must have seen from the title above, this video is going to be about another book review on how your child can start a YouTube channel. So the name of today's book is Making YouTube Videos. It is only for $9 on Amazon. Do not forget that the link to this book is in the description below. The fast and the easy way for kid to shoot, edit and share the video on YouTube. Does your child long to create and post videos on YouTube in hopes of becoming the next YouTube celebrity? Whether looking to go viral or simple wanting to make YouTube videos with their friends, making YouTube video is a place your kid should start. Written by a filmmaking expert who runs camp for wannabe filmmakers as young as 7, this fun and friendly guide takes your child step by step through the process, from idea creation to production to sharing on YouTube. Written in language they will understand and filled with eye-popping graphics that make the information come to life. Making YouTube videos take the intimidation out of working with the video technology and offers your child a friendly, trusted source of experiencing their creativity. Kids will work through small projects with end goals that will help them to promote their confidence. With content that is accessible to understand, this book is ideal for youngsters who want to go to solo or work with another adult instructor. It also introduces ideas on framing, lighting, and sounds, shows kids how to load a video and transitions and add effects, provide easy to follow instruction on uploading a video to YouTube and setting who can see or not to see their videos. Explain how to grab free software and make simple edits like cutting out scenes, adding to a timeline, and implementing transitions. If you want to encourage your child enthusiasm but don't want to endure a meltdown, making YouTube videos make it easy for aspiring filmmakers to fulfill his or her dream. Don't forget that the link to this book is also attached in the description below. I hope you found this small review of the book Making YouTube Videos quite helpful.